do a draw hole with me. Okay, so first we'll do my slow writing. Okay, so first I have the butter. I love the butter. It's like really slow rising. Y'all don't fight me because that's my opinion. I'm allowed to have opinion. Okay, so next I have the chocolate. I love chocolate a lot. Better than candy, nearly. Not better than candy. Don't judge me, y'all, again. I love the chocolate. It actually smells like chocolate. I love smelling chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Okay, yeah. Next I have a real Nido. This is a real Nido. Now we're doing my real Nidos and fake Nidos. One's actual squishy, but it's fake. Okay. This is a real Nido. Everybody shut up. It has heaps of air in it, but shut up. Because it has really good ASMR, so yeah. Yeah? Okay, sorry. That was my brother. Okay. Okay, next I have this. This is a real Nido, but real squishy, but it's real fake Nido. And this is all the stuff I put in it. See, there's nothing left. Damn. So it had heaps of air in it. My sister said don't take the air out, but I did. So yeah.
Huh?
Okay. Now we're doing my fake Nidos. They're all jelly. So yeah. First we have this. Next we have this. Next we have this. Last but not least we have this. Okay. Now we're gonna do my random. So first I have this crocodile thingy. It makes really bad fart noises. It's like Orbeez in it. There's heaps of air, see? Like see. Like a lot. Oh yeah, it's my sister's birthday on the 4th. So yeah. It's her 12th birthday. Everybody say happy birthday. Everybody say happy birthday to you. Ay, ay, ay. Happy birthday. Anyways, so yeah. It's really fun. So yeah. Next we have this. Cow. Whatever it is. Hallelujah cow. I don't know. Hallelujah cow. Next we have my Tabba, my mini Tabba. So cute. The time is running out, so yeah. Got 20 more seconds to say this thing. We have a dumpling, guess what color? Blue. Alright, this dumpling popped, so I cut it. And this sugar-filled one. And I have this cube, sugar-filled. Then this, sugar-filled. Oh, that's my whole bye.